Good morning. Well, it's morning when I'm making this video, but you may be watching in the afternoon. Today's going to be a very, very easy one that you as kids can make yourself. And I kind of like to call this Trail Mix 2.0. So you can just go to Costco or a store and grab Trail Mix. And it's usually a very healthy alternative to other snacks because nuts and seeds are full of really good fats and really good, the seeds especially have really good proteins. And eating a variety of foods like that on top of your fruits and veggies and whole grains will offer like a really awesome range of nutrients that your body can use for energy and for general well-being. So I don't buy Trail Mix because I don't know how long it's been on the shelf, because a lot of times Trail Mix is kind of made with the nuts that people really, really like, and that's great because they eat it, but what you can do is use nuts that you like but aren't the best, but maybe are a healthier version. And I don't know about your household, but with my household, I keep a lot of our nuts in the fridge or the freezer, and I keep them in jars. So for example, I have cashews and almonds. We live in Hawaii and we're so lucky to have macadamia nuts, and you can get those at Costco, and they are from obviously Hawaii. I think they're from the Big Island. Walnuts. We have pistachios. Other things like Eva loves to eat goji berries, so we throw goji berries in there. Other examples would be sunflower seeds. Brazilian nuts. I don't know if any of you have heard of Brazilian nuts, but they're the big nut. They're full of selenium. And selenium is a really important mineral that helps to keep your thyroid healthy, and your thyroid is in here. And your thyroid is very important for energy production and for your metabolism. So basically how your body works. So the healthier your thyroid is, the better your body will feel. Another example is a dried fruit. This is another fruit that we have that's dried. And then last but not least, chocolate chips. So we tend to get the darker chocolate chip. I think I said in my previous video, my kids don't really know what milk chocolate is unless it's Halloween night. I cook with nothing but like dark chocolate. And that's just because there's so much awesome things in true dark chocolate, like magnesium, lots of phytonutrients, phytochemicals that help your body fight off bad things. So my kids are getting hungry. I don't know if you can hear them in the background. It's time to start math, so I better pack a snack. So what I'm going to do is I have a bowl here, and I'm just going to pour some almonds. And I usually make it fresh every day because it doesn't take very long. And that's one thing I love about this Trail Mix is it's fresh. Like I said, when you buy a Trail Mix off a shelf, it could have been made a year ago and is still sitting on the shelf, and that's not really the greatest in the grand scheme of things. So, some cashews, some macadamia nuts. My kids aren't the biggest fan, but I just, again, kind of make them. Eat a couple. It's part of the day. It's like a goal. If you want Trail Mix, you have to eat 2 of your macadamia nuts. Parent tricks. Pistachios. And then I'll put Eva's in separately because Arrow doesn't want goji berries in his. Let's throw in a couple walnuts and see if they'll eat them today. So I'll throw in 2 each. And maybe I'll bribe them with something that they can eat after. So walnuts. And then your chocolate chips. And voila. We have a nice, healthy, maybe more fresh snack than the typical Trail Mix. So that's all for today. Go through your cupboards with your parents' permission and grab all kinds of healthy nuts and seeds, and then see if you can find something sweet to add to it, or maybe some dried berries, and enjoy your snack. Have a good day.